Some things people do for you when you're young, you never forget. I had a friend of mine who me and him was going shopping at the time, and actually we didn't go together. I just so happened to see him there, and I think we was going to the ninth grade, I believe, or going to the eighth grade, and my guy seen me in the store, and he was like, "What's going on, Joe?" And I'm like, "What's up, man?" He was like, "So you trying to get some kicks?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'm a couple dollars short. My mom only gave me so much at the time, and I don't know, it was maybe 30 or 40 bucks. And the shoes with tax, maybe like I was like $10, $8 short or something. And I remember my guy saying, "Huh, man, you can have some of my shoe money, so that way you can get yours." I never forget that. And the crazy thing, me and my guy don't even talk right now, but I still got mad love for him, and I never forget that.